Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Google Workspace for beginners. So what is Google Workspace? Google Workspace is a cloud-based suite of productivity and collaboration tools designed for businesses. It includes applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Meet, and Google Calendar. So how to use it? First is to sign up. Create a Google Workspace account via the Google Workspace website. Second is set up users, add team members, and assign roles. Third is organize files. Use Google Drive to store and organize documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Fourth is collaborate. Use docs, sheets, and slides for real-time collaboration with team members. Fifth is the communicate. Utilize Gmail for email communication and Google Meet for virtual meetings. Lastly is the schedule. Use Google Calendar to set up meetings and deadlines. Google Workspace enhances productivity through seamless integration across its applications, making its collaboration easy and efficient. Some of its key features are Gmail, professional email service with custom domains, powerful search, and organizational tools. Second is the Google Drive, cloud storage for files, enabling easy sharing and collaboration. Third is Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, online document, spreadsheet, and presentation editors that allow real-time collaboration. Fourth is the Google Meet, video conferencing tools for virtual meetings and webinars. Fifth is the Google Calendar, scheduling tool to manage appointments and share calendars with team members. Next is the Google Forms. It is a survey tool, creates surveys and forms for data collection. Responses analyze results directly in Google Sheet. Next is the Google Chat, messaging platform, communicate with team members via direct message or group chat. Lastly is the Google Sites, create internal or external websites for projects or team without coding. Google Workspace is designed to enhance productivity and collaboration, making it a versatile choice for businesses and teams of all sizes. I have some tips for you. Explore integrations. Google Workspace integrates with many third-party apps to enhance functionality. Second is the mobile access. Download Google Workspace apps on your mobile device for on-the-go access. Lastly is the security settings. Configure admin settings for security, especially for Teams. I hope you learned something from that, and that's it.